understanding, remain aware, enhancing your English vocabulary. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, remain aware. It's a simple yet profound piece of advice that can be applied to various aspects of life and communication. Stay tuned as we unpack the layers of meaning behind these words and how you can use them effectively in English. To remain aware means to continue to be conscious or knowledgeable about something, particularly a situation or a fact. It's about keeping something in mind and not forgetting to be attentive to it. This phrase can be broken down into two parts. Remain suggests a continuation of an action or state. Aware indicates having knowledge or perception of a situation. How often do you come across the instruction to remain aware? Perhaps it's in the context of safety. Remain aware of your surroundings. Or maybe it's about staying informed. Remain aware of the latest news. In English, this phrase is often used as a caution or a reminder to not lose focus. For language learners, remain aware has a special significance. It's a reminder to be conscious of the new vocabulary you learn. Stay alert to the grammatical structures you encounter. Be mindful of the cultural nuances in communication. Let's put remain aware into action with some examples. As a pedestrian in a busy city, it's crucial to remain aware of the traffic signals. When participating in discussions, remain aware of the different perspectives that people may hold. In a rapidly changing industry, professionals must remain aware of emerging trends. And that's a wrap on Remain Aware. I hope this video has helped you understand the depth of this phrase and how you can apply it to your daily life and English learning journey. Keep practicing, and always remain aware of your progress. Until next time, happy learning!